When the floods hit Pakistan a year ago, a deluge of destruction followed. Thousands died, more than 1 million houses were destroyed, 10 million made homeless. In the far northwest of Pakistan, near the town of Charsadda, the village of Ucare was among those wiped out.
Each and everything in this area was destroyed by the flood, like houses, animals, mosques, and so many other facilities were destroyed by the flood. All of the area who were residing there, about 500 houses, these were destroyed. Their animals were destroyed, their standing crops were destroyed.
Then an emergency flood relief camp was set up. Now, this is the same site today. The difference? Cash raised by Mohammed Sarwar's Ucare Foundation and Glasgow Central Mosque. In this case, thousands of pounds made millions of rupees.
Ucare Foundation and Glasgow Central Mosque has provided 7.4 million, in which we have constructed 43 houses, one mosque, one dispensary, and one school.
The Dean family are among the lucky ones. Sabir Dean is 55. He's a day labourer. He's got 8 kids, 5 girls, 3 boys. Alicia is the youngest. She's 4. The family now have a new brick-built home to replace the mud house they lost in the floods. Here, Sabir says he can't thank Glasgow enough.
Scotland.
But let me tell you something else. This is a flushing toilet. It's the first one the Dean family have ever had in their lives. And it's thanks to your money. Next door, your money got the Han family a brick-built house as well. Arsala Han says he'll remember Scotland forever.
Pounds raised in Scotland can make a difference to the victims of flood. They lost everything in their life, and now they are living happily with their new houses, and they have started a new life.
Ucare and the mosque have linked with Pakistan's Rural Support Programme to build a total of 105 new houses. Akbarabad's got a new mosque and a new pharmacy as well.
ठीक है उसमें पंखे आपको पैसे मिल जाएंगे पंखों के लग जाएंगे
This is one of the local primary schools. It's been repaired and extended with 2 new classrooms. On top, in 1 year, the number of pupils attending this school has more than doubled to a roll of 700 pupils. This meeting decided what's to be done next. Much has been achieved, but much remains to be done. Many more houses are needed. The pharmacy must be opened, and the school desperately needs desks and ceiling fans. Only your donations can make this happen.